Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arel and I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do week 12 of my 52 list project. It is a weekly journaling activity that I do where I answer the prompts of this book and I put it in my journal. So for this week we are going to do list your best qualities. It's gonna be an interesting one, but I try to answer the prompts as honestly as I can, and I am going to use some things. I kind of like pre-planned this. I have these stickers from Sterling Ink. I have this little doll sticker and some washi, and let's get started.